Look at all this stuff. Look.
Is that on the lowest setting?
No.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, it is.
Someone.
Yeah.
His
Oh.
legs are a lot shorter than Troy's were.
It was fun hanging out there, huh? Look.
Troy, come and see Brady. He's just chilling out there.
Do you like that monkey?
Grab it. Look. He was leaning up on there, huh?
Bounce him a little bit.
Daddy,
What?
Look
I
at
need
Brady.
more chips. Daddy, I need more chips.
Look at Brady.
Look at Brady's Easter present.
Brady.
Is that cool or what?
Cool.
Troy, you used to have one of these too. You like to jump up and down all the time.
Yeah, here.
It's a miracle there was a spring left when he got done with it.
No, don't. Brady.